dangerous public safety. I'm right behind you.
On a cold night in Duluth, Minnesota, a reckless driver refuses to stop, leading deputies on a dangerous high-speed chase through neighborhood streets.
He's on fire now.
What happens at the end is now under investigation.
I don't know if I'm hit. I don't know if I'm hit.
Get out.
Law enforcement encounters can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised. While stopped at a red light, a St. Louis County Sheriff's deputy spots a vehicle racing through the intersection. A traffic stop is attempted for speeding and reckless driving. The moment sirens go up, the vehicle flees and a high-risk pursuit is underway. The driver doesn't stop. Deputies stay with the suspect through every move.
Yeah, one driving recklessly on Grand going westbound.
Cross Street?
One on I-35, driving it the wrong lane, speed.
10-4, are you pursuing?
Hey, I'm seeing the dangerous public safety. I'm right behind you.
Yeah, he's going by rolling.
10-4, did you say you were getting on I-35 though?
I just turned up. Straight, it's going by some 69. Plate's gonna be Sam, Mary George. We're going through an alleyway. I don't know what alley I'm in, but we're headed to the What's from 7th Avenue West.
Westbound on 70th Avenue West.
Passing Red Route.
Passing Red Route.
Back on here.
10-4, east or westbound?
Sorry, westbound. It's going past South 7th Avenue West.
10-4, passing South 72nd Avenue West westbound.
He's on fire now.
He's on fire now. That's the one.
Still on just a successful pit.
10-4, pitting at 2142.
Put your hands up! Put them up!
207 over.
10-4.
As both deputies move in on foot and issue verbal commands, shots are fired from inside the vehicle. Replay shows both deputies approaching when the driver opens fire with a handgun. A closer look shows the moment the weapon discharges from inside the car. Deputies immediately return fire and fall back to cover.
Did he get you? I don't know if I'm hit. Tell him shots fired, dude.
Shots fired. Hold the channel.
I don't know if I'm hit, Josh. I don't know if I'm hit.
Get down. Shots fired. Suspect down. Roll medical.
10-4, shots fired, rolling medical.
One deputy calls for medical and directs units to hold the perimeter until additional support arrives.
Get underneath. Yeah, we're good.
Show us your hands!
And squads on the traffic stop. Do we need medical to stage at all?
Yeah, 10-4, have him stage for now. Are you good, Matt? Check yourself.
I gotta go back there.
Go check yourself. Get out of here.
A pit maneuver is a controlled stop, but what's inside that vehicle is always an unknown. What investigators will be examining is everything that unfolded in those final seconds: the approach, the commands issued, and the response to an immediate threat. A handgun and spent casings recovered from inside confirm the threat was real. This footage is just a portion of what investigators will review. This channel makes no judgments on the actions taken. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay informed on critical incidents happening in communities across the country, hit subscribe. We cover critical use of force cases to keep you informed on incidents occurring in neighborhoods across the country.